Okay, so first method, we're gonna have to add shape layer. From here, we're gonna have to go right over here, and we have rounded rectangle or rectangle tool, doesn't matter which one you choose. Select your color and then just drag like this. Now we can go here, expand. We can see here rectangle. We can also see here rectangle path 1, and here we can see roundness. Okay, and we can round our shape from here. Make sure you go to rectangle path. All right, perfect. Now another method, another way to create the rectangle shape in After Effects, you can just go here and select the rounded rectangle tool, drag, don't leave, still hold. And while you're doing that, you can actually use the wheel on your mouse up and down, and you can increase or decrease the rounded corners, and that's another method. You can also use the arrows up and down.